thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I am so excited this morning to share the packing of this particular order. It's not an order, but it is a gift from me to one of my longtime customers. Without giving too much information away, this customer reached out to me maybe 3-4 months ago, sharing some ups and downs with me in regards to finances and unable to purchase more products. She is a long-time customer, subscriber of mine. I haven't heard from her in a while. As I said earlier, she reached out to me. The reason she hasn't been ordering any products, or she may order 1 or 2 here and there. Well, it's been on my heart to gift her some products that she will have Christmas Day. So I plan on shipping this package to her overnight. I know it's going to cost me to ship overnight, to have it guaranteed there by Saturday the 23rd. So it'll be the 23rd tomorrow. So it's early in the morning. The sun isn't out. It's really cloudy. I have a couple of my studio lights in my workspace here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what I am going to gift her. I am going to gift her a bottle of my Extra Strength Netto Hair Growth Oil. My camera isn't focusing, but I'm going to gift her Extra Strength Netto Hair Growth Oil, 2 bottles of Lavender Scalp Tonic, and my Resurrection Exfoliating Scalp Scrub. She wanted to try this product, but she hasn't been able to order it, so I am going to gift her my Resurrection Exfoliant Scalp Scrub and my Retain-It Butter. My Retain-It Butter. Sorry for the focus. The light is super bright in the back, so sorry about that. But this is my Retain-It Butter. So I have the box all made out here, and I am going to pack up her box. Okay, I am all done packing her present, her gift, and what I'm going to do now is write out a nice little card and nice little letter and close it up and off to the post office. Thank you so much for watching, and if there's anyone that's on your mind, on your heart, reach out to them, pick up the phone, give them a phone call. Go visit a neighbor, check on your neighbors, you know, do something kind for someone that may be in need, or, you know, just a kind word, just to say hi, call them, just say hello, I'm thinking about you, and, you know, just do something good. And doing this for her makes me feel really, really good. It warms my heart, and I'm so excited I wish I was there when she receives it and open it up, but I'm pretty sure I will hear from her through an email. We communicate through email, so I'm pretty sure I will hear from her. So this ends my Studio Friday video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you are experiencing hair loss, any scalp issue, please check out my Etsy shop as well as my Shopify store. And happy holidays to everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.